Hey YouTube, in this video we're going to be reviewing the Go Chair by Pride Mobility. It is a travel power wheelchair. Keyword is travel, so it does break apart into 4 pieces, with that heaviest piece being 36 pounds. Let's talk about some numbers before we get into the breakdown of the chair. Something really important is that weight capacity. It is 300 pounds, so it can support up to 300 pounds. The batteries on this unit are SLA. They're not lithium, but you do get a pretty decent drive range up to 11 miles. And then the top speed on this unit as well is close to 4 miles, sitting at 3.8. All right, now let's jump into the breakdown of the chair. The first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect this wire leading to the joystick. It kind of has a yellow indicator that shows you need to disconnect it. The next thing is, it's kind of a quirk. You will need to move these baskets to the side, or it's not going to allow you to truly lift that seat out of the seat post. The next is you can just pull straight up on that battery to disconnect it. And then the final thing is this latch. You lift up, pull forward on that, and then you have the 4 pieces of the scooter and you're ready to travel.